my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Creation. So my dear lovely friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. My dear lovely friends, this video will be very helpful for you. And today I'm showing a all trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most wearing and demanding crochet and hand knitted fancy cotton top designs, crop top designs, halter neck top designs and blouse designs. So dear lovely friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find all trendy ideas in our videos. So you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Dear lovely friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Dear lovely friends, I will try my best to show all the ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. So lovely friends, you can get ideas and take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection.